Adventure doesn't wait for time off or need a 3-day weekend. It's been here all along, around the corner, on the way to work, or on the open highway. And now, the gold standard for adventure just got better. The 2012 Goldwing. The motorcycle that's defined touring comfort, convenience, and innovation for 36 years. With more new features to make any adventure come alive. Goldwing starts with the best touring platform ever created. A smooth, powerful 1832cc engine, quoted by Cycle World as a crown jewel among motorcycle engines, with 6 fuel-injected cylinders of sheer power for sport bike-like performance. A proven 5-speed gearbox with overdrive, electric reverse, and shaft drive for uncompromised, dependable power delivery. A modern perimeter aluminum chassis with a suspension that handles road defects and leads to Goldwing's superb riding comfort. For 2012, the best platform sports a sleek, streamlined body. The aerodynamic shape and adjustable windscreen minimize drag and provide even greater wind protection on the open road. The slick new lines hide another improvement. Goldwing now has more onboard storage capacity than ever before. Who knows what you'll find room for? The adventure's yours. Whether it's the daily commute, an overnight getaway, or a cross-country expedition, Goldwing's new Navi system offers all the direction you need. The new GPS receiver tracks your position wherever you go. The system's bright new screen displays real-time XM weather, traffic conditions, and lane guidance, so you get to your destination without delay. The new Honda Trip Planner even lets serious adventurers plan trips on the web and then share them with others online. And you can use the convenient SD card to upload them to the Goldwing's Navi system. Or if you're winging it, just ride. The Navi system even records your trip, so you can download it to the Trip Planner site at your convenience. Need a soundtrack for your adventure? With the new Goldwing, you'll enjoy amazing next-generation digital surround sound, iPod connectivity with cockpit control, and a convenient USB port for an MP3 player or jump drive loaded with music. Convenience, performance, and all the comfort you'd expect in a Goldwing. Standard seat and grip heaters, foot warmers, new seat material to make long stretches in the saddle easier, and new front and rear suspension bushings that improve the ride on rough pavement. But the most important comfort is not something new. It's the peace of mind that comes from owning a Honda. The Honda, the top of the food chain. Now available in 4 awesome colors. And 4 different option packages to suit every rider. With a full array of Honda genuine accessories to make Goldwing unique. Don't postpone the adventure. It's here today. Honda's new 2012 Goldwing. Plan to go everywhere.